Hello and welcome to Gabbett Media. I'm Grant Abbott and today I'm reviewing the Huion HS64. So Huion were kind enough to send me this graphics tablet here. It's quite a small graphics tablet, but it's quite cheap. It's around $30 or £30 if you're in the UK, and it's pretty decent. I don't know why they've got ducks all over it, I'm afraid. If you look it up on their website, they haven't got ducks anywhere for the Huion HS64, but they've got stickers and they've got a big sort of ducks around. I think maybe they're trying to appeal to students. Maybe as students you like that sort of thing. So tell me, students, if you like that sort of thing, put in the comments below that I love ducks, perhaps, I don't know. But yeah, so it's got ducks around it, but don't let that put you off because it is a good graphics tablet. I'm finding though, with most of these graphics tablets that I've been sent, is that they're much the same. Even the Wacom ones that I use daily, they're very similar to the Huion, the UG, the XP Pen and Gammon, and other brands out there. Generally speaking, if you go for one of those sort of 5 brands, you're absolutely fine with the graphics tablets. The drivers, they're updated regularly and they should be fine to work with most of your systems. Please don't contact me if they don't work though. Please contact the manufacturer because I can't really help with your specific system. What I did find was they were really easy to install, and I actually installed them with my Wacom drivers still on the system. I did actually have to go back and reinstall my Wacom drivers after I'd used this though. It all worked really smoothly out of the box. I was able to go into the driver settings and change buttons and pen settings and so forth. And I used this in Krita, Photoshop, Blender, and had no problems at all. It works straight away. Now, one thing you might be interested in is that this works with your mobile phone. So it comes with a couple of connectors, so for different devices, and you can plug it in, and you don't even need to install any drivers with your mobile phone. It seems to work straight away. The one thing I couldn't test was the pressure sensitivity. It didn't seem to work in my sort of Galaxy Note program that I have, but I'm sure there's better programs out there. The pressure sensitivity worked very well in all the other things on the computer, so that was great. In terms of specification, it's much the same as any other, 8,000 levels of pressure sensitivity, and it's got a resolution of 5080 LPI, blah blah blah. They're all the same really, to be honest. I've worked with graphics tablets that have 2000 levels of pressure sensitivity and I'm not noticing the difference, so I wouldn't worry too much about those sort of things, but do look at reviews and just see what sort of art they're creating. Are they happy with the product? Do the drivers work? And you'll be fine. The one thing to look out for though is that this drawing area is fairly small. If you look at my hand size and you look at something like my Wacom screen in the background there, it's slightly more tricky to draw onto a smaller surface. So if you're really serious about drawing, then you might want a bigger tablet. But I would say this is a nice good starter tablet, and I didn't find it difficult to draw on this. It's just I prefer a larger size, that's all. It's also worth noting that it comes with a wireless pen, so you don't have to plug it in and worry about charging it up. The pen itself is quite stiff, and that's a bit like a Wacom tablet. It's quite firm when you touch it. Other ones like XP Pen I've found are quite squishy, but it's just a preference thing. I'm used to that sort of firm press from my Wacom, so Huion is slightly more similar to Wacom in that regards. So all in all, I'm very impressed. It's a really good graphics tablet. It's very comfortable to use. I don't know about the ducks personally, but maybe you like that sort of thing. But in terms of price, this is fantastic. One of the cheapest I've seen at around £30, $30. So it's a really good buy. Anyway, I hope that helps, and thanks to Huion for sending me the tablet. Thanks for watching.